Hello friends, the common question every day we face: what will happen in the 3 days gynecology intensive training program? Is it possible to be master of hysteroscopy, or is it miracle or fun? I think all questions can be clubbed in a single question and can be answered very easily, because we are doing this for last 2 decades. So as per my experience, this intensive training program is actually based on the real hands-on training, because by holding in your hand and doing the thing by yourself makes the great experience. So this intensive program is having the plenty of the cases with variety of the diseases, so that the trainees can get exposure as well as expertise in the respective disease per se. So this is not merely the observership, it's basically a real hands-on training in which the concept, knowledge and skill are transferred to them, so that they can do the thing, do the surgery at their respective places. So we are not making the master, but you will be able to be mastering hysteroscopy, no doubt about it. So making it easy or making it fun is really miracle. Thank you.